Hello, trading is closed on December 11th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. We got it. So there was typically a high in the final hour. We got that too. Here's what we said. During the day, MEJT said this rally would retrace, the drop would retrace. Now says this rally will retrace. Gives us a target of 31.3460, most likely by tomorrow. And unless we gap up smartly and overtake this high, that's my call. You might go a bit lower than that because typically you get more than the minimum. This is around 31, 33 and change. You get more than the minimum after the ultimate sell signal. And typically you get a three-leg whipsaw with each leg larger than the last one after the FOMC announcement. Now usually you get wild swings after the FOMC announcement. You sure didn't see that, but the first move briefly was down. Second one was up about 8 points. So if you drop about 16 points from the high, should get, this is around 31.44. So 16 points would be around 31.28, gives you a reasonable minimum target, which works often, but not always. So here's what I have. Thursday's pattern has the early low, lower MEJT target. If we don't gap up and overtake today's high, it should print. It's negative. We gapped up, hit a higher high, couldn't hold on to either high at the close. As I said, gapping up smartly kills the call, and I want to see if the new system I'm working on for a change in trend Friday works. Don't know if it will or won't. We're just going to look out for change in trend Friday. If it works, fine. If not, well, I'm not sure it works. So tomorrow we have a pattern with the early low. Here's my target. Other patterns can bring us down to 31.28, not necessarily in a day. And that's today's call.